Already got started on our next project here. It is a almost 300-foot wooden retainer wall. Staying just up behind the wetlands here, and gonna meander all the way down to the other side of the property here. Here, be about 3 foot tall. Get some trees out of the way right now, getting them hauled off so we can continue on. Vibrating poles down, get a lot better hold right here with all this mud we're dealing with. Keep vibrating. Where you seeing that? Made some good progress over here. Got a 30-foot return wall dug in here, getting ready to set poles for that. Got our strings set up. Got all the front wall poles set. Got the majority of the double whalers installed. We'll be putting some bulkheading up after this. Got my new helper on the job, Gatlin, learning the ropes. Right, buddy? Say hey. Gatlin. Good boy. Good progress on this. Got all the poles in, the whalers up, the erosion control installed on the outside. Got my new sidekick, Gatlin, sleeping on the job, down at my feet. Got Chief. Hey, Chief. Sorry, buddy. Getting ready to drive the rest of these poles for this return wall, 30 foot. Gatlin's helping picking up the trash. Come on, buddy. Can't walk with it? Come on, get the trash. Come on. Good boy. Here's a quick look at the project we're working on next. It's about a 300-foot wood retainer wall, upland wood retainer wall. Putting the bulkheading in now. Got some of the filter cloth installed, and you can see it goes way on down there. Hopefully get this one here wrapped up by the end of the year. If not, we'll be back on it after January 2nd. We're going to give the guys a week off, actually taking off this Friday and all next week for a good Christmas break. Gatlin, Scout, and there's Chief. Scout. Hey, buddy.
back here.
Right there by you. Oh, shoot.
Well, see, that tell you how bad your eyes are.
Look at him trying to dig that back up. Get it, Gatlin. Don't put that in the ground. Get it, Blake. Get it. Get it, Gatlin. Gatlin's trying to dig the rods back up the man rays we're putting in. I don't think Chief likes, or Gatlin likes that I buried that dead man. They're trying to dig him back up. Get it, Gatlin. Get it. What's wrong, Chief? You don't like them buried? Pretty good day today. Got all the bulkheading all the way in across the front, the filter weave on, inside welder installed, 9 of the man array tieback system installed, driven and pulled, and ready to start putting some more pilings in, dead men piling in down here tomorrow. We're going to do that and get started on the 2-foot top cap. It's going to cover the complete top of the seawall, retainer wall in the piling. It's going to look really nice. Progress, got the whole wall in, tieback system in, and a whole bunch of dirt, about 630 yards of dirt so far got installed. Framing up the top cap, it's going to be a 2-foot Weardeck top cap. And real good. Here's a completed look at this project. We're just now getting her finished up. Got top cap on, got a couple boards to finish up, and we'll be out of here. Got all 35 loads of dirt put in here. That's a heck of a lot of dirt. Got a Weardeck top cap installed. Went ahead and threw a little bit of straw out, try to prevent erosion. With some of the rains we get, it's gonna be a while before they start building over here. Love how the top cap cantilevers over the wall, kind of hides the wall a little bit. I just love the wood style wall. This looks a little bit more nautical to me, especially up in the yard for like retainer walls, inland retainer walls and all that. You don't have to worry about the rot because it's not in contact with the water, and you ain't got to worry about the Torito boreworms eating it up. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out my page. Give me a thumbs up and give me a subscribe if you don't mind. Leave a comment. I'll try to get back with you here on the page. It's I stay pretty busy, so it's kind of hard to get back with all the emails that I'm getting. But if you would, leave me a comment here and keep watching. Thank you.